Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this beautiful three-story, six-bedroom, six-bathroom home. It is located in the quiet neighborhood of Tower Hill, Tower Isle, St. Mary. It sits on 0.15 acres of land and was built in 1996. Wake up to the lovely views of the Caribbean Sea from the master suite and entertain in an open concept kitchen, living, dining, and family room. This home is a must see. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 56 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.